Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 3-in-1, actually 4-in-1 if you think about wireless charging station, and I just spoiled why it is a 4-in-1 that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it already. One thing that I'm going to mention, this one works for charging both Android and Apple phones, both Android and Apple earbuds like this one, for example, but will only work with Apple smartwatches, the Apple Watch, not for like the Galaxy Watch or something like that. This kind of like the place right here that comes for the actual watch, it's only for Apple Watches. So remember that this one won't charge my Android watch over there. So the thing that I want to show you about this one is how easy it is to use, but also how compact and how stylish it is. It's a really nice one for either your desk or your office or your nightstand, things like that. But mostly because it also comes with this hidden feature that I just spoiled a little bit ago. So let's actually take a close up. So remember, it won't work with Android watches, but this is where you're gonna put your Apple Watch. Right here is gonna be charging, and this is for your earbuds. So I'm just gonna put my case over there, and it's a red light, so it's charging already. And then so easy, just like this, you put your phone over there, MagSafe. It is charging, as you can see over here, charging super fast. But again, the hidden feature is gonna be this right here. Comes with a nice light, which I think it is another nice thing to have it in your nightstand. I like this device. What can I say? It is a really nice one, compact, but features everything you need to charge your devices for the next day. I give it a thumbs up, recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.